Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new video. So today is not basically any kind of install or anything. Today is just a little vlog of my day. So today I was checking the car's oil last night, so I might do an oil change, just to make sure everything's good, because the dipstick is reading something weird. So it's not reading anything accurately, so it gives me false readings, I think. So, and I want to just make sure that the oil is good level and everything. Other than the oil change, I mean, I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna just look at how the Grimspeed oil separator is looking, and I'm gonna give you a Tomei exhaust video, just kind of revving it and show you how that sounds. So kind of enjoy this video. So first things first is go to AutoZone and get the oil and the filter. I don't know if anybody knew, but you can buy the Subaru filters at AutoZone too. Just make sure you got the right part number. Well, yeah, so we're just gonna go to AutoZone real quick, get the oil, and then go back to the house and lift up the car and empty out the oil and AutoZone. Alright, guys, emptied out the oil, false alarm. Seems like there's plenty of oil from when I changed the oil last time. So it's good to go. I'm just gonna put more oil again. I'm gonna put new oil again. I'm gonna leave the filter on since I only used about 1,000 miles on it. Alright, so other than that, condensation right here. It seems like there was no oil up here, so on the valve that puts it back. Can't focus, but yeah. So it might be doing its job. I'm not 100% sure, but oh well. I mean, I like it. Looks good. And other than the condensation right here, I mean, it's cold weather, so probably that's why. But yeah. So yeah, other than that, everything looks good. Just clean this up real quick. Then you just screw this back in. And in order to tighten it 100% though, you do need a 19mm socket wrench. So you probably have to keep this in your car. It's not like you're changing the oil in the middle of the road, but looks good. So that's the oil. False alarm. Everything looks good. But yeah, so. Alright guys, so I'm gonna make a quick video of how it sounds. Hopefully it sounds good. If not, oh well. But there it is, buddies. Alright. guys, there it is. Oh shit. Shit sounded good. I'll catch you guys later on the next video. Peace out.